Want to save more money effortlessly? Discover how AI can be your financial advisor. In today's fast-paced world, managing personal finances can be overwhelming. But what if you could have a financial advisor in your pocket, ready to help you make smarter decisions with ease? AI-powered apps like Mint and YNAB automatically track your income and expenses, categorize transactions, and suggest areas where you can cut back. Saving money can be challenging, but AI makes it easier. Apps like Qapital and Digit analyze your spending habits and automatically transfer small, manageable amounts into your savings. Investing can be intimidating, especially for beginners. AI-powered robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront create personalized investment portfolios and continuously monitor and adjust your investments. Understanding where your money goes is crucial for effective financial management. AI-driven apps like Spendee and PocketGuard provide detailed insights into your spending habits and offer actionable advice. AI also excels at detecting fraudulent activities. Apps like Clio and Chime monitor your accounts for suspicious transactions, providing an extra layer of security for your finances. Ready to make your financial life easier? Explore the world of AI-powered personal finance apps and watch your savings grow and your financial worries diminish. With AI as your financial advisor, achieving your money goals has never been more effortless. Discover AI-powered personal finance apps today, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.